Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by enabling visible touch feedback so taps register on video. On Android, open Settings and go to Accessibility or Developer Options. On iOS, use Assistive Touch and Screen Recording options. Turn on Show Touches or Touch Indicators and grant any overlay permissions. Once done, test briefly with the camera or a quick screen recording to verify touches appear. This early step prevents wasted footage and ensures your taps are recorded clearly before you proceed to capture the full session. Next, configure the recorder and framing so taps are clear and consistent. You should pick a recorder that supports touch overlays or use system screen recording with the touch indicator enabled. Set resolution and frame rate, 60 FPS for smooth motion, 30 FPS for smaller files, and enable microphone if narrating. Make sure orientation is locked, do not disturb is on, and the UI elements you don't want are hidden. Once configured, run a short sample capture to confirm tap size, color, and timing are ideal. Now record your session with intention. Narrate actions, pause between steps, and capture multiple takes for safety. After recording, import into an editor and use cuts, zoom-ins, and graphic highlights to reinforce each tap. Transitions make the how and why clear. If taps don't show, troubleshoot by re-enabling the touch indicator, checking overlay or accessibility permissions, and rebooting the device. Finally, export using the original resolution and test playback to confirm touches remain visible before sharing or uploading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.